Hello and welcome to today's IC Markets commentary with your host today, Andy Demi. So today I want to begin with Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, as you can see, has been on a very strong run, and we are pulling back right now. So I've identified some levels where I'm interested in going long again. Now, right now we are finding ourselves at this support point. In my opinion, if we clear this support, the next run is going to find some support around that sort of level there, which is about 57.5. Okay, and if we clear that, then I'm going to be looking for the 61.8, which is around 50, just below 53,000. And you can see we had really strong demand from that area. So my preferred area where I want to really start getting interested on the long side again would be here, but certainly in this area of about 57,500, I'm going to be looking for a bounce. Okay, right, next one I want to look at is Ethereum. Okay, with the potential ETF being spoken about, I'm looking for eventually the market to reclaim its upside momentum. However, right now we are pulling back, and what I've identified is an area that I'm very interested in. So we have an ABC, there's a 61.8 pullback, and then here we have the 1618, and then I've also taken the fib from here to here, and here we have the 61.8, and it fits really nice in the same zone. So that's around sort of 2.5 to 2.4. If we can have a nice dip into that zone, I really like this area. You can see there's a lot of price action here as well around that zone, and then I'll be looking to start to buy up Ethereum around that area. Next, gold. Now, we've spoken about gold before. Really nice solid weekly breakout. However, we have had a little bit of a correction. Really strong selling bar here. A little bit of consolidation. You can see we've broken this uptrend line here as well. I'm favoring a further pullback here, okay, down towards this this trend line here. So at the moment, around 2,300 looks like a good target from where we are. And next, the S&P 500. So the S&P 500 is now starting to retrace. If I show you the weekly chart, you can see nice weekly strong selling off. So we could have a little bit more of a pullback here. I'm looking at the lower time frames, such as the 4-hour, and you can see the moving average is starting to fan downwards. The 50 is about to cross lower here as well. So with this one at the moment, until proven otherwise, you can see we're making lower lows and lower highs. Pullbacks, I'm looking to sell lower. Okay, you can also combine that with the fibs if you like. So for example, if we take the low to high of this last swing, let's get rid of the marks there. So here we have, for example, the 50%, the 38%, which it got quite close to there. So I'll be looking at the 50 or the 618 or the 78.6. But if this is going to be a fast move down, generally you won't get the deeper pullbacks, so just beware of that. Or sometimes what you might get is a kind of fake rally where it takes out a high, what we call a liquidity grab, and then the market goes low. So just look out for that. Don't get caught out with things like that. There's a lot of that kind of manipulation that goes on. Next, dollar yen. Dollar yen has broken through its major resistance now. I've actually drawn this as an ascending triangle. I've taken this distance from low to high up here and projected it up. If this remains above this kind of 150, 170, the projected target based on that pattern is around 176. So potentially nice opportunities on pullbacks, nice fanning moving averages there on dollar yen. Cable is pretty much holding on this resistance line that we had drawn in for a while. It is quite rangy, but a very strong weekly sell-off there, so I'm favouring the downside at least to go test around 122.90, which is the next level of support. And then finally the Kiwi. Well, the Kiwi has fallen nicely into an area of interest for me. You can see we've got this diagonal support, we've got this horizontal support, and actually down here we have the Fibonacci 1618. So let's see how we close on this day, and then I'm looking for any kind of pullbacks, ideally a little bit lower, but anywhere kind of from this block here I'm going to be looking to buy the Kiwi. And you can see also this is backed up by the RSI being oversold. Okay, that is it for today. Hope you enjoyed the commentary, and I'll catch you again soon. Take care.